This is Axcast, the export module for Autodesk Inventor, one window that takes parts, assemblies, and drawings out to every format your installation can write. You load an assembly, filter it down to just the components you want, then pick your formats and export them all in one run. Don't have it yet? Axcast is a module inside Axion. Open the BM tab, click Dashboard, go to Available Add-ins, and pick Axcast. Your 15-day trial starts in License Management, and if you don't have Axion at all yet, the installer is a free download. Links are in the description below. This is Axcast, the export module for Autodesk Inventor. It takes your parts, assemblies, and drawings out to whatever formats you need, all in one go. So let's run a real export and you'll see how it works. I've got the assembly open here, so we'll just leave the source on the active document. For the BOM level, let's pick Summary. That way every file shows up once, even if it's used a dozen times in the assembly. Now, we don't want all of it, just the sheet metal. So let's grab the sheet metal filter, and there you go, everything else drops straight out of the list. Next, the formats. And here's the nice part, you're not picking just one. Let's take flat DXF, DWFx, and STEP, and Axcast will write all three in the same run. Now we just tell it where to put them, so I'll choose a folder here. And that's it. Hit Export, and there they are. A folder for each format, and everything written in a single pass. Right, a quick look at the rest of it. The source does not have to be the open document. Point it at a folder, pull in the drawings that belong to the model, or let it search your project workspace or vault for whatever it has not found. And BOM level decides how deep into the assembly it reads. Summary gives you every file once, so a bracket used 6 times still exports once. Then narrow it down. Export scope applies a saved component filter so you can send only the sheet metal or leave the purchased parts out using the same filter blocks as all the other modules. The count tells you what you are left with. Filters get you close. The grid gets you exact. Every column has a sort and a filter, so you can narrow the list to exactly what you want before anything gets written. Right, click a header to hide a column you do not need, or right-click a row to remove components you are not exporting at all. You can edit values and place and paste into them like a spreadsheet, and Apply to Components writes the change back into the model. The Actions menu works on whatever rows you have ticked. Isolate them in the model, show everything again, open one in Autodesk Inventor, or merge duplicate rows by a part number, so 10 identical brackets become one line. And Sync with Inventor selection ties the grid and the model together, both ways. Then the Export menu. Bending output for tube and pipe runs. And Grid to Excel, which gives you the list exactly as you filtered it. Let's do that. And there it is. Now the part that saves you doing any of this twice. Everything you set up lives in a profile, so you pick it next time, and the whole form comes back. Open Settings. And it is all in tabs. Columns decides what the list shows you, any I property or BOM property, and you can compose one out of several. Export name does the same for the file names with a preview as you type, then the flat DXF tab, and sheet metal people will want to stop here. Every kind of geometry gets its own layer, and you set the color, the line type, and the line weight for each one. They are drawn rather than named, so you can see what you are picking, and the Excel tab points the list at your own template. That is Axcast. Thanks for watching, and you can download Axion from the link below.